Berocca Performance contains high doses of B vitamins and vitamin C, along with the minerals calcium, magnesium and zinc, all required for optimal mental and physical performance. Though numerous studies have investigated the effects of Berocca, this initial research mainly used more traditional assessment methodologies. To further explore the effects of Berocca, Bayer partnered with Professor Andrew Scully and his research team at the Center for Human Psychopharmacology, where, for the first time, cutting-edge brain imaging techniques were used to evaluate the impact of acute Berocca supplementation on brain activity.
In this study, we gave people Berocca or a placebo and assessed their mental function from about half an hour afterwards.
The first assessment method, functional magnetic resonance imaging, measures blood oxygen levels in the brain during cognitive task performance to show in detail which areas are activated. The other method, steady-state topography, determines changes in the brain's electrical activity throughout different cognitive task sequences and shows with high precision when the brain is active. This first brain imaging study showed that both fMRI and SST are able to detect changes in brain activation. Berocca was able to positively impact brain activity in areas associated with working memory and attention just 30 minutes after supplementation. This study, with its novel results, laid the foundation for a more elaborate investigation into the effects of chronic supplementation with Berocca.
The most recent study that we've done is a study looking at 4-week supplementation with Berocca. It was a randomized controlled trial in healthy young adults.
55 participants who received either a placebo or Berocca underwent functional brain imaging assessments, fMRI, SST or both, at baseline and again after 4 weeks of daily supplementation. After 4 weeks of Berocca, the fMRI scans of participants that had undergone prior fatiguing SST assessments showed significantly increased activation in distinct brain areas as compared to the placebo.
And we also know that activity in these areas of the brain correlates with how well people can perform the task.
The SST recordings also showed that 4 weeks of daily Berocca supplementation improved activation in parietal areas of the brain.
The two methodologies complemented each other and the findings were remarkably consistent. That is, we found improvements in areas of the brain associated with working memory. Working memory is where we hold information online and manipulate it, and it's one of the most important elements of human cognitive function.
To substantiate these beneficial effects of chronic Berocca supplementation observed with the brain imaging techniques, its impact on nutritional status and mood was also assessed. Blood tests showed that, in comparison to the placebo, Berocca led to significant improvements in vitamin B6 and B12 concentration, as well as in homocysteine status, an objective indicator for overall health. Mood questionnaires filled out by participants further confirmed Berocca's positive effects, as mood scores significantly improved in 4 weeks of daily supplementation. Taken together,
what we found were clear improvements to brain function, coupled with decreased homocysteine and improved levels of the B vitamins.
Berocca, clinically proven to support mental performance through brain activation.